I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding every paint blister and marking its edge so you don't miss hidden corrosion. Use soap and water, then wipe with 70% isopropyl to remove oils. This helps adhesion later. Once dry, sand the blister perimeter down to solid paint or bare metal with 300-400 grit. That prevents feathered ridges. Make sure to wear an N95 and eye protection. Now that the surface is mechanically sound, move immediately to treating corrosion before priming. Next, remove any remaining rust. Grind to bright metal or use a wire brush. If pitting exists, treat with a rust converter so underlying steel won't reseize. Once cleaned, apply a thin coat of epoxy primer. It seals metal and promotes adhesion for top coat. Allow the specified flash and cure times. Rushing causes adhesion failure. After curing, block sand the primer with 400-600 grit to level the surface and create a mechanical key. This prepares a uniform base for color matching. Finally, spray your base coat in light overlapping passes, blending slightly into adjacent panels to hide the repair. Multiple thin coats avoid runs and ensure even color. Once base is right, apply 2-3 wet coats of clear coat, allowing 5-10 minutes flash between coats to avoid solvent popping. After a full cure, polish with a fine compound to remove any minor texture. If you see orange peel, lifting, or poor adhesion, stop. Resand to firm primer, clean, and repeat priming and paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.